Hello, everyone, and welcome to Talk Easy English. Today, we will practice a long and clear English conversation for work and office situations. This lesson is designed especially for beginners and for learners in Finland and Nordic countries. Our goal is to help you feel comfortable using English at your workplace. Please listen carefully and repeat after us when possible. Speak slowly, clearly, and confidently.
Hello, Teacher Sarah. I am ready to practice. I want to improve my English for work and office communication.
That is great, Jack. Today, we will talk about common situations at the office, such as greeting colleagues, asking for help, talking about tasks, having meetings, and ending the workday. Let's begin with simple greetings. Jack, imagine you arrive at the office in the morning. You see your colleague. What do you say?
I say, "Good morning. How are you today?"
Very good. That is polite and professional. Now I will be your colleague. Let's practice. Good morning, Jack. How are you today?
Good morning, Sarah. I am well, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. Did you have a good morning?
Yes, I had a calm morning. I had coffee and reviewed my tasks for today.
That sounds good. It is important to start the day in a relaxed way.
Yes, I agree. It helps me focus on my work.
Great. Now let's practice some more morning phrases. Please repeat. Good morning. I hope you are well today.
Good morning. I hope you are well today.
Very nice. That is a friendly and professional sentence. Now, let's talk about work tasks. Jack, what are you working on today?
Today, I am working on a new report for our team.
Good. That is a clear sentence. Can you say it again slowly?
Today, I am working on a new report for our team.
Excellent. Now I will ask you more questions. Is the report difficult?
It is not very difficult, but it requires attention and careful thinking.
Very good. You are using clear English. Now let's practice another situation. Jack, your manager asks about the task. What do you say?
I say, I am working on it now and I will finish it by today.
Perfect. That sentence is very useful in the office.
Yes, it makes me sound professional.
Exactly. Now repeat after me. I am working on it now.
I am working on it now.
I will finish it by today.
I will finish it by today.
Sometimes we need help at work. Jack, how do you ask for help politely?
I say, can you help me with this task, please?
Very good. That is polite and friendly. Let's make a short dialogue. Jack, can you help me with this task, please?
Of course, Sarah. I will help you.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. I am happy to help.
Good. Now repeat these sentences slowly.
Can you help me with this task, please?
Of course, I will help you.
Of course, I will help you.
You're welcome. I am happy to help.
You're welcome. I am happy to help.
Now, let's talk about meetings. Meetings are common in the office. Jack, how do you invite someone to a meeting?
I say, let's have a quick meeting.
Very good. That is simple and clear.
Jack, let's have a quick meeting about the report. Yes, that is a good idea. When is the meeting?
The meeting is at 10 o'clock.
Okay, I will be there on time.
Excellent. Time is important in Nordic countries. Being on time shows respect.
Yes, punctuality is very important for us.
That is correct. Now repeat after me. Let's have a quick meeting.
Let's have a quick meeting.
The meeting is at 10 o'clock.
The meeting is at 10 o'clock.
During a meeting, you often talk about progress. Jack, how do you say what you have done so far?
I say, I have completed the first part of the report.
Excellent. That is a very good sentence. Can you also say what you will do next?
Yes, I will say, next, I will work on the final section.
Very good. Clear and professional.
I feel more confident when I say these sentences.
That is wonderful to hear. Confidence is very important. Now, let's talk about emails. Jack, how do you ask someone to send you an email?
I say, please send me the email.
Correct. That is simple and polite. Jack, please send me the email when you finish the report.
Yes, I will send it to you this afternoon.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now repeat the key sentence.
Please send me the email.
Now the workday is ending. Jack, what do you say to your colleague when you leave?
I say, thank you for your support. See you tomorrow.
Very nice. That is polite and warm. Thank you for your support today, Jack.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow, Sarah.
Have a nice evening.
You too. Have a peaceful evening.
Now we will practice a longer conversation. Please listen carefully. Good morning, Jack. Are you ready for today's tasks?
Good morning, Sarah. Yes, I am ready. I have reviewed my schedule.
What is your main task today?
My main task is to finish the report and prepare for our afternoon meeting.
That sounds good. Do you need any help?
Not at the moment, but I will let you know if I do.
Perfect. I appreciate your clear communication.
Thank you. I try to be clear and polite.
That is very important in professional communication. You did a great job today, Jack. Your English is improving step by step.
Thank you, Teacher Sarah. I feel more confident now.
That is our goal. And thank you, everyone, for listening to Talk Easy English. Practice these office phrases every day. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become. Remember to speak slowly, clearly, and confidently.
We look forward to practicing with you again.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a nice day.